Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the reel seat, drag, and line tension so you can control the cast immediately. Thread the line through guides while keeping light tension. This prevents tangles once you build speed. Once the lure is attached with a reliable knot, set your hands, dominant on handle, index finger lightly on the line. Begin a smooth, low-speed forward stroke. Accelerate through the finish and release the line when the rod tip points at your target. Now focus on rhythm. A measured backswing stores energy, then a decisive forward snap converts it to line speed. Keep your wrist firm. This prevents whip that causes loops. Once done with the snap, use thumb pressure to modulate spool rotation for smooth payout. This reduces backlash. If you need more distance, lower the rod tip and lengthen the arc. For tighter accuracy, shorten and aim with your shoulder. Make small adjustments between casts to dial in trajectory and timing. Finish by closing the bail or flipping the reel into gear to stop the line at your target and secure the cast. Start your retrieve with a steady cadence and vary speed, or add occasional twitches to simulate prey. This keeps the lure active. If you experience backlashes or bird nests, stop immediately. Ease spool tension and manually free tangles while maintaining light pressure, then ready if knots weaken. A quick drag check each cast prevents lost fish and damaged gear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.